Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. This week, we're working with the pattern long vowel silent E. The pattern is one vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end. Today, we're going to be doing some sound spelling boxes where we put one sound inside each box. Our first word is the word mute. Finger stretch. U, t. Mute. I hear three sounds, so that means we're going to be using three sound boxes. The first sound we hear in mute is U, t. And don't forget that silent E right at the end for the gesture long vowel silent E. Then we're going to write mute on the side. U, t, mute. Our next word is June. My favorite summer month is June. June. Finger stretch. J, U, N. June. I hear three sounds. So that will be three sound boxes. The first sound I hear in June is J. And we're going to capitalize it because it's a proper noun, because it's the name of a month. J, U, N. June. With that silent E on the end. And please write June on the side. And don't forget to capitalize that J because it's the name of a month. Our next word is dude. Finger stretch, dude. D, U, D. Dude. Three sounds. There'll be three sound boxes. The first sound I hear in dude is D. The next sound I hear is U. And the final sound I hear is D. With that silent E at the end, making that U, say the long vowel sound U. And please write dude on the side. D, U, D. Dude. Long vowel, silent E. Our next word is cute. The teddy bear is so cute. Cute. Finger stretch. K, U, T. Cute. K, U, T. I hear three sounds. There'll be three sound boxes. The initial sound I hear is K. U, T. Cute. And that silent E that is not pronounced on the end. There's that pattern, one vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end. Cute. Please write cute on the side. K, U, T. Cute. Our next word is the word tune. T, U, N. Tune. I hear three sounds. So that will be three sound boxes that you will need to use. Please write the word tune by yourself. T, U, N. Tune. And don't forget to write tune on the side. Our last word is the word cube. Finger stretch. K, U, B. Cube. I hear three sounds. K, U, B. Our initial sound is a K. Please do cube by yourself. K, U, B. And write cube on the side when you're done. Okay, boys and girls, we are going to be doing some long U word work. Please write your name at the top. And you are going to need a crayon because we are going to be coloring the long vowel silent E words in our word box. Our first word is dunk. I see one vowel followed by one or more consonants, and the vowel sound is short, so we will not be coloring that word. Our next word, I see two vowels. I can see the pattern, one vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end. So we are going to color the word cute because it is following our long U pattern. Our next word is tube. I see two vowels. U and E are both vowels. And the pattern, one vowel, one consonant, silent E at the end. Tube. Our next word is hunk. And I see only one vowel. One vowel followed by one or more consonants is a closed syllable type, and the vowel sound is short. So we will not color that word. The next word is huge. Two vowels. Long vowel, silent E. The word is huge. Our next word, I see one vowel. And the vowel sound is short, bunk. Our next word is muse. I see two vowels, U and E. Long vowel, silent E. Muse. Our next word is June. Please find the vowels. Can you see the pattern? One vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end? Me too. So we know that vowel sound is saying U, J, Yoon, June. And the J is capitalized because it's a proper noun, because it's the name of a month. Go ahead and finish with that last line. And you can see on our spin, read, and write, we have huge, dude, mule, June, tube, muse, rude, and cute. And all of those words follow the pattern long vowel, silent E, long vowel, silent E, long vowel, silent E. So you'll spin, read, and write. And then at the bottom you have your word bank to fit your letters into the word boxes. All right, my friends, you're on your own from here on out. When you are done, please turn it into the top basket and move on to Lexia. Way to go.